Welcome to StarLine London. Let's meet the team and colleagues in the industry.
Hi, we are Auto Communications, one of the UK's most experienced StarLine installers, and we cover Essex and surrounding areas, and proud to be part of the StarLine London team. We are Mobile Automotive Systems, proud partners of StarLine London, covering West London and surrounding areas. We offer vehicle hook locks and security. We are PVS Vehicle Security, proud partners of StarLine London. We cover East Essex, Colchester and surrounding areas. Specialist in security, audio and vehicle remapping.
We are Mobile Car Alarms, proud partners of StarLine London, highly experienced in vehicle security, and our go-to alarm is the StarLine S9. We cover North and North West London and surrounding areas, including Beds, Bucks and Herts.
We are Ideal Auto Security, proud member of the StarLine London team. We offer all aspects of vehicle security, covering the Kent and surrounding areas. We are Elite Car Security, partners of StarLine London. We offer technical support to the StarLine team and strive to push the boundaries with the product.
Some people call us London number one. When I say some, I mean we do. Number one, London, Herts and Essex.
We are Vehicle Fit, StarLine Midlands, covering Birmingham and surrounding areas. We specialise in commercial vehicle locks and alarms.
And we are highly experienced with the StarLine brand and cover all aspects of vehicle security.
We are PL Autotech, StarLine Northwest, specialists in commercial vehicle security, highly respected for alarms in the industry.
We also specialise in high-end audio installs and proud to have customer travel from far and wide to us at St Helens.
If you're up north, then there's also StarLine Manchester. We are vehicle defence. We specialise in motorhome security as well as motorbike security.
We cover the High Peaks, Derbyshire, Manchester and South Yorkshire areas for all your security needs.
That was a few of the top dealers across the UK. There's many more nationwide. If you're looking for the best security systems in the world, then get in touch today. Thanks for watching.